Egyptian cotton has grown into a brand by itself and is arguably known the world over. Until 2010, textile was Egypt's most important segment of industry. It contributed 28% of non-oil exports, 3% of the total GDP, and the highest source of hard currency after tourism and Suez Canal. But since the 2011 unrest, like most sectors of the economy, the textile and ready garment industry has been suffering.
Actually, Egypt has long been famous for its textile industries, but more recently the country is facing several problems in this specific sector. For several reasons, maybe because cotton producers of long staple cotton, of course, they are facing several problems regarding the production and the marketing of this vital product.
The public companies, as you have heard, has gone through a lot of trouble because of the work stoppage, because of labor union demanding a lot of advantage and a lot of money that is not available right now for liquidity.
This led to shipment delays and higher transaction costs. What made matters worse is that the government removed cotton subsidies completely and gave priority for funding imports of foods and basic goods. The public sector with its 1 million workers was hardest hit. And this month, the government signed a deal with US-based Werner International to restructure the 25 state-owned textile companies.
First, you have to look at the technical restructuring, more productivity of workers and training. Moreover, financial restructuring is also important, and operational. I mean, several aspects of restructuring are needed for these companies.
The restructuring process is expected to take a year, and it hopes to revive the industry, whose exports of cotton dropped from 2.5 million bales in 1980s to only 300,000 in 2014. But it's not all bad news. The recent devaluation of the local pound has given the Egyptian textile and garment products a more cost-competitive edge in the export market. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.